Before starting the video, let's first look at some mind-blowing facts about an organ in the body, and you have to guess which organ it is. We guarantee you, these facts will surprise you so much that you'll have a heart attack.
Are you ready? Well, I am, so let's go.
Number 1. The blood vessels in this organ are 100,000 miles long. Jesus Christ, that is 12 times bigger than the Earth. Mind blown. Mind blown! Number 2. Almost half of a child's energy goes to fuel this organ. Mind blown. Mind blown! Anyways, fact number 3. When you're awake, this organ can produce enough electricity to power a light bulb. Wait, what? An organ in our body can produce electricity? That's amazing, isn't it? Mind blown. Mind blown! If you haven't guessed by now, let me tell you fact number 4. There are 100 billion cells in this organ. Wait, what? 100 billion? What? What?
You must have guessed by now. We're talking about the human brain. The legendary, miraculous, magnificent human brain. Truly, and I'm not exaggerating here, the human brain is a miracle machine. It's the world's fastest and most efficient supercomputer. And not only that, but it's the only computer that can hold an infinite amount of things. The human brain has infinite storage. We humans haven't yet built any type of computer that can hold an infinite amount of things. The human brain is truly miraculous. So, Science Wars fans, let's learn more about it.
Now, let's meet the little guys in our head. No, not these ones. I mean, the parts of our brain. So, let's first chop the brain up.
That's disgusting.
Okay, now that we've chopped the brain up, let's now look inside it. First, there is the cerebrum, the biggest part of the brain, home to memories, thought, imagination, the ability to speak, play games, and recognize people. The cerebrum is divided into 2 halves, each of which controls the opposite side of the body. Next, we have the parietal lobe, which receives messages from the sense organs and allows you to feel, taste, and smell. Next comes the cerebral cortex, which is the outer layer of the cerebrum. The cerebral cortex is folded over, so it can fit in millions of neurons or brain cells. The brains of other intelligent creatures, such as dolphins, have lots of folds, but simpler animals, such as frogs, have smooth brains. Next, we have the occipital lobe, which processes information from the eyes, allowing you to see. Next, we have the cerebellum, which controls delicate movements and helps you learn new movements. You activate this area of the brain when you learn to play a new sport or a new musical instrument. The hypothalamus is what wakes you up in the morning and controls your emotions. The corpus callosum connects the left side of the brain to the right side, allowing the 2 halves to communicate. The frontal lobe helps you make plans, control your movements, and produce words. Next, we also have the brainstem, which connects the brain to the spinal cord. The brainstem controls your heart, breathing, and whether you're awake or asleep. The spinal cord is the core of the central nervous system that sends messages to and receives messages from the rest of the body. Your brain gives you your personality. It's home to your mind and your memories, and is responsible for almost everything you do, think, or experience. The brain communicates with the rest of your body through the nervous system, a network of nerves. If you touch something hot, nerves in your fingers send a signal to your brain, which sends one back, telling you to move your hand. The brain is packed with nerves, but surprisingly, it's the only part of the body that doesn't feel pain when it's cut.
What an amazing system, isn't it? Isn't it surprising how a weird looking, slimy, bloody, kinda gross looking piece of jelly can become the most complex machine in the universe? It's amazing. And all human brains have astounding capability. But some of the brains that have existed on our planet have proven to be extraordinary. They've proven to have more ability than any other human brains. Like, literally abnormal ability. Abnormal in a good way though. And the most famous example of a brain like this is Albert Einstein's brain. So, let's find out more about Albert Einstein's brain and what happened to it. Nah. Man, I gotta go somewhere, so I can't talk about that right now.
He's lying.
I'll say that for another video. So, smash the subscribe button, hit like, and stay tuned on the Science Whiz if you want to find out what happened to Albert Einstein's brain. Stay tuned.
But wait guys, before you stop the video, don't forget to check out our website, which is the Science Whiz, not the Science Shiz, the sciencewhiz.wixsite.com/thesciencewiz. I know it's a very long URL, but guys, I just couldn't change it. Very sorry about that.